Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Pam.
I'm Javon.
And today, I'm in charge.
Ooh, yeah.
I'm gonna show you guys how I make my banana bread.
Yeah.
And if you're new here and would like to improve your cooking skills or like to just chill with us, please don't forget to
Subscribe.
You got it. Let's get to it.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is what you need. So today I'm gonna make 2 banana breads. I'm giving one away to a friend of mine. All of the ingredients that I'm gonna state right now, they're good for 2 banana breads. If you would like to make just one, just use half of the ingredients that I will mention. 4 spoons of vanilla extract. We're gonna need 6 ripe bananas, 2 cups of sugar, 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of melted butter, salt, cinnamon, baking powder, 4 eggs, and about a cup of walnuts. You could use more, you could use less, it doesn't matter. It's really up to your taste, so let's go. Okay, so the first step, you wanna go with your wet ingredients. So you wanna peel your bananas and mash them. So we go like this. This is gonna go real fast, guys. That's why I already turned on my oven to 350 and my cake batter is ready. The oven is hot. The riper the bananas are, the sweeter your cake is gonna be. So it's good to wait until there, you see, the peel is black. More black than that would be good. So as you can see, I'm using a fork here to mash my bananas. Since they're ripe, it's pretty easy to mash. I'm not using any strength. Alright, so once your bananas are smashed, you want to add in the other liquids. 1 cup of melted butter, your 4 eggs, four tablespoons of vanilla extract, that's gonna give it a nice taste. I'm mixing this roughly with the fork before I add in my sugar. It's not perfect yet, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna add in my sugar and then I'm gonna use my hand mixer to mix it all. 2 cups of sugar. These are half cups, so I'm gonna need 4 of these. So I want 2 cups in total, so 4 of the half cup. I'm gonna use my hand mixer at a low speed. So that's for that, and you see this process here even helped to mash the bananas that weren't completely mashed. Your last step is to mix together your dry ingredients. 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Now, baking powder is very salty, so you want to mix in the baking powder with your flour very well before you add in your wet ingredients. Well, that my baking powder is well mixed in, I'm gonna add a little pinch of salt. And to finish, This is my special touch. I love the taste of cinnamon. You don't have to add this one if you don't like cinnamon, but I always add a tablespoon of cinnamon to my mixture. All right, that's more or less it. Just a little bit, just to give it a little punch, nothing crazy. I'm gonna add in my wet ingredients and my dry ingredients, like so. I'm gonna go back to my hand mixer to give that a last mix. So there you go, guys. This is what you're looking for in terms of batter. It should be very thick. You could use raisin, you could use chocolate chip. We had nuts here. We like nuts. It's packed with protein. And we're going camping, so we need something that will give us power for theirs. Just roughly go with the palm of my hand. And I crush them a little because I don't want them to be too big. You see, like, that's perfect. They're not too big, but they're not too small. I just fold that in. I'm gonna butter my pan so it doesn't stick. I just go like this with a little bit of butter in my hand all over. Make sure to not forget a spot. And I like to grease my pan with butter because it's gonna give my banana bread a nice buttery taste. So that to me, that's the way my grandma used to do it, the way my mama used to do it, and it's just gonna give it a nice taste. All right, so I'm gonna try to go with half of my batter here. I think that's it. Maybe a little more. That's good. Like that. I'm gonna shake my mold. Also gonna put a few nuts on top just for decoration. So like this. And that's ready for the oven. I'm gonna bake this for 45 minutes at 350. So it's been 55 minutes in the oven at 350. As you can see, my cake is nice and golden on the outside, darker on the crust, but not black. And this is what you want. To know if it's ready in the middle, you just go with a knife. And if your knife come back clean, like so, it's ready. What's also great with this cake is that if you don't think that you're gonna eat it all in the same week or so, well, I suggest you slice it, wrap it, freeze it. Just take one piece at a time whenever you feel for it. So if you would like to see more of our recipes, or we also do food challenges, food reviews,
Yeah.
subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you
Guys in the club.
next time. Peace.